In this video, we'll be discussing apps and add-ons. So the Edge ADC has a method of running applications within containers that are secured with encryption. So these apps are available from the Edge ADC App Store, which is located at appstore.edgenexus.io or within the actual load balancer itself. So when you access apps from the App Store and purchase them, they appear in this section here once you have logged in onto the App Store from the associated App Store user interface here. So once they are purchased, they appear here and can then be downloaded. When you download an app, it automatically appears in this section, downloaded apps. Now, most of the apps are free, but apps such as GSLB or WAF are purchasable. So when you want to deploy an app into the containers on the ADC, you simply click the deploy option here. The app also shows the date, the order number, and the version number. This is independent. The order number is independent, actually, of whether you purchase an app that is free or purchase an app that is paid. So once you download, the apps will appear in the add-on section like this. So here we can see two apps. One is our EdgeCert SSL Certificate Manager and also our GSLB version 3. So what you do now is that you can actually provide a name here for the app, and this is used by the ADC's internal DNS system to directly talk to the app itself using REST API. And it uses REST API using an internal interface. And this is generated internally once you start the app itself. So its current state is stopped, but one can start the app by clicking the play button here. Now you can see that the app is starting, and once it starts, you get a miniature kind of view here of what the app looks like, and you can then see here the internal IP address that's been allocated to it. Now, in cases where you are using 172.31 subnet, we can provide a jetpack for actually changing this internal IP to a different range of your choice. Now, in order to open the app, you simply click here, Open App, and as you can see, it's now opened up inside a separate tab. To switch off the app, you press Stop. To pause the app, you press the pause icon. It's important to provide this name because it's this name that the Edge ADC uses to refer to the app on internal calls. You can also back up the configuration and import it here in order to ensure that you have a backup of it, which is important in cases like GSLB where there might be a lot of settings for A records and CNAME records, etc., etc. This cropping here is occurring, by the way, because I've zoomed in the screen slightly. It's not a bug, but this appears as normal on a normal monitor. And that's it about apps.